Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two CRM platform called Pipedrive and Bitrix24. So we're going to explore and dive into the key features, the strength and the weakness of the two platforms to help you make an informed decision about the CRM sales for your business. So to get started with the overview, Pipedrive is a dedicated CRM platform built for sales teams. It offers a highly visual pipeline, intuitive deal tracking automation, and a performance reporting ideas for companies focused on choosing deals. While Base24 is an online one-in-one business suite that includes CRM project management, communication tools as well, and HR and more. It has a suited for teams looking to manage everything in one platform, not just a sale. Now, talking about the peptide strength, it has an intuitive sales pipeline view with a powerful sales automation and elite tracking, together with a clean interface and strong analytics tools. Now, talking about weakness on the other side, it has a limited beyond sales, which means no built-in project or HR tools. It also has no free plan cost increase with a features upgrade. No ideas for all-in-one business operation, and the prices start between $19.0 to $20.990 per month and per user. Talking about Page 24, on the other side, which is the strength, it comes with an CRM project management chart, calendar, and more. It also offers a free plan for small teams and a high customizable scalable option. Think about the weakness, it has a cluttered interface with a steeper learning curve, and the CRM features aren't as refined or sales focused as Pipedrive. It also performance can be slow with too many models active.